Hey guys, good to see you all again in my next video. This video is all about spinach, how you can grow, what kind of container you can use, everything. Please get into the video. If you're planning for starting a garden, then first go with a spinach garden because it will grow very easily and faster growth also. So you'll be very happy when seeing new growth. So in the next 5 to 6 minutes, I'll give you how you can grow your spinach. I can give you easy steps where you can grow your spinach in an effective way. Here you see is first day of my spinach. I have made the seedling two varieties of different seeds. One is palak and other one is other variety. So I have separated in the same containers. It's a quite big size bag, so I used it for the spinach. This kind of separator is very important. Let it be in direct ground or let it be in a bag or let it be in a pot anywhere. And the separator is very important because almost all these spinach will look like same. So when you're seedling, definitely make sure you have a separator. This is the water bottle I took for this watering. I took this cap and make some holes with a pen. You can see. You can also take needle to hold it. This is how you need to water for the spinach. You should not pour the water or throw the water directly. You should use anything like this and you need to drizzle the water. This hope you know, this is Ponangani I have shown in my previous video. This usually grows in my ground itself, but just for a video purpose I have shown you. I have given this growth directly from the stem only. I will show you how. Here you can see the stem in the right side. The stem you can directly bury, and in the left side you see it's small, it started. This is how it started and it grows. We are entering into the monsoon now. So you see see, this is how it started growing, how small it is. Everything came from stem only. The roots were already in the sand. Every time when rainy season come, all over my ground I can see this Ponangani. It's really awesome in taste too. Here you can see the height of this Ponangani also. This is not very lengthy or very short. It's equally manageable to eat and to maintain also. This is the cereal spinach. Actually, I have not made any seeds for this. This is directly grown naturally when I am doing this palak. Easily you can grow this, just buy from the supermarket, maybe 10 to 20 rupees or nearby any spinach shop you can buy. And you take the leaves and just saw this stem alone. So definitely it will grow maybe 1 year or more than 1 year also with the same. This is the space I have selected for the spinach and other variety. You can see the separator also, but I'll show you how both is growing. This is the palak spinach. You can see how very good to see this palak. It has been grown very nice. What happened when I'm seeding this palak, I have given very less space actually for this palak, and the other variety I have given much space. But unfortunately, the other variety doesn't grow. Fortunately, this palak started growing like anything. See here, completely grown, height, and even the leaves, everything is healthy. This is a different spinach, which is called as Indian shorewort, and in Tamil it's called as Vallarai. Hope you all remember Vallarai. We would have eaten this kind of chocolates in our kids. And this is very good for brain, plus it's good for memory, everything. And this you can also start growing as an indoor plant because it requires only 1 or 2 hours of sunlight. This is the space I made for my Kasturi Methi. You see how I have selected the space. It's in directly ground only, but though I have selected the space, this is very important whenever you start a spinach. And this side you can see how it start growing. It's just 3 days of spinach. This is called as Kasturi Methi. Now it grown to the good level. But you see this, always you can use it even in your tadkas or in all North Indian dishes. You can add this as a as an additional chat, so it will be very tasty. You should dry the leaves and you should add, so it will be awesome when you add this. Hope you all got good details to start a spinach garden. And I also come up with a new video to the rest of the spinach. And if you have any specific spinach particularly, please leave in the comment. Definitely I try to get into you. And this is the one which I actually need to add into this. But mint is specifically very special to everyone. Everyone would have been tried in their home to start the mint. Definitely I'll come up with a different video how you can start a mint at your home. Guys, now we come to the end of this video. Hope you find this video very useful. Do subscribe if you do. Please share to your gardening friends and click the bell icon to get the continuous videos.